Hey guys, welcome to this video. I'm going to walk you through how I made roughly $650 trading SPY credit spreads. Now again, this is a very simple and very reliable strategy, but I want to walk you through not only how I did this trade, but walk you through my thought process and everything that went into this trade so that you can do it for yourself as well. All right guys, so jumping into it, you can see here in my history on tastytrade, which is the broker that I'm using, you can see here I opened the trade on April 4th and then I closed the trade on April 17th, roughly, well, what was it? If my expiration was April 21st, then roughly 4 days before the expiration, but I closed it early. And you can see here I locked in a $730 gain, but again, I had about $72 in commission costs just for the number of spreads that I was trading, so that puts me around a $650, $660 profit. Now again, let's walk through why this trade was taken. Okay, so here if I go into TradingView right here for charting, you can see here that this is the S&P 500 or SPY. Again, what we can see here is SPY has a lot going on for it, but again, if we zoom out, again, you can see here 2020 crash and everything going on. The market can be identified in certain phases. Right here is an uptrending market. Again, this uptrending line was broken, so then we have a downtrending market. And now we have this downtrending line. You can see here downtrends are connected by the top highs. You can see here high, 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 all connected. Then you can see it was broken, which means we're now being put into an uptrend. We connect uptrends from the bottoms. You can see here we are in an uptrend, so we have the idea going into this trade that the market is in an uptrend, is going to hold this line. So again, you can see here that the market made a very strong push up to the upside, showing that it was bullish. But again, the best time to enter credit spreads, especially put credit spreads, because put credit spreads make money on the way up, is to enter on red day. So I saw this very strong red day, knowing that the market was in a bullish market. I went out to roughly, I believe it was 397, 399. I put my strike around here because that's where this, for multiple reasons, but math-wise, that's where this trend line was. This trend, let me just remove this one so it doesn't confuse. This trend line is where support was holding, and so if it came back down, it would have bounced around this level, so I did a 397, roughly 398 put credit spread. That means that I make money as long as SPY stays above this level by the end of expiration. So again, you can see here I bought in on a strong red day. You can see here we kind of consolidated and then pushed up higher. And then on this green day right here, I closed out the trade on April 17th. So again, this was roughly a 15% gain on this trade on my return on capital. And what about from April 4th to April 17th? So in about 2 weeks. So again, in 2 weeks, I made roughly 15%. And that all comes down to the idea of understanding trends. The trend is your friend. So if I am trading with the trend, I'm going to make money more times than not, especially if you're trading put credit spreads and you put your levels near very strong support levels. You have a very low chance of it actually playing out in your favor or going against you when you trade with that trend. So that's one of the reasons I put the trade on. The trade was also mathematically the best trade to put on at that current moment. I know that because, again, if you go here, again, if you want any of my alerts that I send out, you can actually go to this website, which is linked in the description, and get 3 free alerts from me where you can actually make some money without having to do anything. But again, if we check out the alert system, I basically came here to the Trade Ideas algo, which uses math to find credit spread trades that have over a 90% win rate, historical win rate, not a delta-based win rate. A historical win rate has been proven to work and has over a 15% return on capital. You can see the trade came up. I simply placed that trade, and that's how I knew to put it on. And again, all these things coincided as well with the trend, with support and everything else. So it was a great trade, making $650 in a matter of 2 weeks. Now again, if you want to learn to do stuff like that, just click the link in my description about getting the 3 free trades. Whether you sign up or not, at least you get 3 free trades, so who cares? All right guys, see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this breakdown, if you want to see more of it, smash that subscribe button and thumbs up button and let me know in the comments. All right, see you in the next video.